Hello friends, you all welcome in my YouTube channel Ancient Things. Today in this video I will talk about the great woman Jijabai. Jijabai was the mother of Shivaji, the great Maratha warrior and ruler. Jijabai was born in a village in Maharashtra, Sindhkhed in 1594. Her father Lakhuji Jadhav Rao was a member of the royal court and the prominent Maratha Sardar. Her father served the Nizam Shahi in Ahmednagar and was proud of his high status and post. Jijabai got married at a very young age to Shahaji Bhosle. Shahaji also held a political post in a Nizam Shahi. He was also an excellent warrior. Shahaji Bhosle's father, Maloli Shiledar, was soon promoted and was then called Sardar Maloji Rao Bhosle. Her father befriended the Mughals in Delhi against the wishes of the Nizam Shahi. Jijabai continued to stay with her husband in the fort of Shivneri. She showed her loyalty towards them, although she was pained to see that both her father and her husband served other lords. She dreamed of a Maratha empire. She had 8 children, 2 sons and 6 daughters. She also prayed to the Almighty for her son, who would help her realize her dream of a Maratha empire. Her prayers were answered in the form of Shivaji, who was the founder of the Maratha kingdom. Jijabai is known as the effective and committed individual. Her self-respect and values were the most important things for her. Known for her far-sightedness, Jijabai was a skilled warrior and administrator. She instilled same values in her son Shivaji. She taught Shivaji commitment to a cause, courage, and how to face adverse conditions with courage. Under her guidance and tutelage, Shivaji learned the value of human relationships, respect for ladies, religious tolerance, and justice. Love for the nation and desire for a free Maratha state also had deeply rooted in him. Shivaji gave the complete credit of his victories to his mother, who was his inspiration. She dedicated her whole life in making her son the greatest Maratha ruler of an independent Maratha state. After becoming the queen, Jijabai shifted to Pune, where they started taking care of her husband's estate. Shivaji was with her. In 1666, Shivaji proceeded to Agra after handing over the responsibility of running the state to Jijabai. Her husband's death had brought great sorrow for her. Her elder son Sambhaji had been killed by Afzal Khan. With the blessings of his mother, Shivaji avenged his elder brother's murder. Shivaji had many memorable wins: conquest of the Turangarh fort, escaping from the Mughal prison with the help of warriors like Tanaji, Baji, Prabhu, and Suryaji, winning many battles. Shivaji went on winning at many fronts. All this was inspired by Jijabai. She took pride in the success of Shivaji and his associates. Her dream was realized when her son was crowned in a grand ceremony. In 1674, Shivaji was crowned and he led the foundation of an independent Maratha empire. This great woman died on 24 June 1674. Hope you like this video. So please share it, subscribe it and like it. Thank you very much.